fast becoming referred to as the human Popeye. Mustafa Ismail from Egypt has just been awarded the Guinness World Record for the largest biceps, measuring in with a circumference of 25.5 inches, although they're now even bigger than that.
About 65 centimeters, so getting bigger.
I eat a lot of protein and my nutrition based on a lot of protein and carbohydrates. Plus my genes help me, family wise. I just do it to to look better and to it's a good feeling to look better and to be in the best shape. If you can just try 3,000 grams protein a day, if you can take this, your stomach can take it, and you can take a lot of 6 meals a day, if you have time for that, or if anyone have it, I'm more than happy to tell anyone anything, all ready for everything.